What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 25 Week 2 live cop. Now, I'm really hoping this is not your first video of mine that you're seeing. I make a lot of these live cop videos, and this might be the worst one. I'm already going to say it right now, and I do greatly apologize. So anything that could go wrong was going wrong this morning. Maintenance was here doing work, so like they had to turn the water off. I couldn't take a shower before the video. They were also in here making like a bunch of noise and stuff, so I really couldn't do anything. And to make the matters worse, the Wi-Fi did go out, so I couldn't even use my laptop anyways. So right now I'm actually recording after the drop had already happened, but I did screen record it on my phone, so I guess I'm gonna give sort of like a commentary about the drop. 'Cause I'm gonna be honest too, with all that to the side, this is probably the worst week of stuff I bought. Like, I almost wasn't gonna buy anything, but I knew I had to make a video, but then I had everything stacked against me, and it was just a bad week. You already know I'm still gonna deliver the video for you guys, so I hope you enjoy. So let's get into this video. This week is highlighted by the Aphex Twin collab. Unfortunately, there wasn't really anything that I was gonna go for, but I will admit that that coin was super sick. I just decided to pass on it. I'm actually not sure why, because this still looks like something I would buy, even though I haven't been buying every single accessory like I used to. I don't know, it's probably still in stock, so I might end up picking this up later on down the road, but for some reason I just didn't feel like going for it. The most hype item for the week though is gonna be the Skyline long sleeve top. I didn't go for that either, because like I said, there wasn't really too much I was going for, and there just wasn't really anything that I was too like set on getting, I guess you could say. I did want to go for these beanies, and I did want to go for these pigment 6 panels. And lastly, I did want to say the Old English plaid flannel was sick. Like, I was really debating on getting it. I just knew that if I didn't want to keep it for the personal, I probably was not gonna be able to get my money back on this. Like, usually the things that I think are super sick, no one's feeling, I can never make my money back on them. Like, there's so many pants I bought last season that I'm already gonna be losing a ton of money on. So I didn't really know if I wanted to take the risk on this, because me being in between sizes, I never know if I want a medium or if I want a large, and I don't know, I might regret it though. This is a really cool item. I loved this orange colorway, and you're gonna see it in just a second. But yeah, there wasn't really too much to talk about before the drop, because like I said, we weren't really going for anything. This collab just wasn't for me. I'm not hating on the collab at all. I'm just saying, for me personally, there's nothing that I wanted to go for to sell, or for me to go for the personal, besides those couple things that I said at the beginning of the video. And it was kind of like a small drop, to be honest. Just a bunch of the collab and just a few lookbook items. But before we get into the live cop portion of the video, I do want to say, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. We finally got the hoodie drop coming up in just a couple of weeks. I will be announcing it today on the Instagram as well. I know it's a bit late because the season for hoodies is almost coming to an end by the time that it drops. I still wanted to put it out, so that'll be dropping in just a few weeks. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you give us a follow or check out all the information in the description down below. But anyways, let's get into this live cop. So this is actually a pretty short video too. I think it ends up only being like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I don't really remember. This is me just going in between the nukes. I wasn't really too sure what I was going to try to get. And now it is 11. I'm just here trying to refresh this, and we're scrolling down. I think I get sidetracked by this flannel. Yeah, I have no idea why that Shazam thing came up. I might accidentally hit that. This is me debating on if I should get it or not. 158 I feel like too isn't that bad. The sleeves are embroidered, I believe. So I feel like that's not even that bad. I just ended up not getting it here. I'm scrolling down, taking a look at the collab, trying to find things that I want. I was taking a look at these hats too, because I was kind of thinking about getting them, but I don't think I ended up getting those. And then here are the 2 camo hats. I end up adding both of these. Yeah, I ended up adding both of these, and you'll see in a minute too that I pretty much just added a bunch of stuff to the cart, and I just wanted to get to $250, so I think I added too many things. I don't really know. Like, this is a very uneventful live cop. Like, I didn't even want to spend money for once. Usually I'm always spending a ton of money, and here's me just adding stuff to the cart trying to get to the 250. Some of these colors are sick though. Like, I always love the pink, and I like this little, I think it says, what that say, metallic black. And here's me just removing some of the stuff, because I didn't really want to get these. I mean, beanie season is pretty much over with. I wasn't really trying to get these. I was just trying to get to the 250 free shipping mark. Here's me getting through the captcha. And it's annoying too, because like we get right through, no problems whatsoever, when it's just a week that nobody cares about, and then I just got to fill all of this out. Like I said, it's just so annoying. Like, when it's nothing crazy, you get right through the captcha, you get right through everything. There's no delay. I mean, I get it because there's not a lot of people on the site, but I mean, it's so annoying how like I get card declines, or I get card issues and all this stuff when it's just like a normal week. But when I'm trying so hard to get something that I want, it just fails instantly, doesn't go through. I believe this goes right through though. Yeah, I don't want to talk all that up, and then I was wrong. This year I'm just screenshotting it, and that is me just getting everything. We got 1, 2, 3. We only got 6 items, so I mean, it wasn't really anything too crazy. Here's me again second guessing the flannel, and it was a full size run this morning still at 11:02. I'm not sure if it's still in stock. I didn't check, but me again just debating on getting that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are feeling the flannel, 'cause I'm really curious on if it was just me. Here are these 2. Oh, there's notification from Supreme a little bit late, but these two hats, like, I'm kind of shocked they didn't sell out right away. Usually when we see the camo stuff, it sells so fast, but I guess that was it. And that's gonna do it for the live cop. But like I said, a very uneventful week, and I really hope this was not your first video of mine. I promise I got a ton of other live cops, and we're usually spending a ton of money on them, and they're way more eventful than this. This was just a bad week for so many reasons. The drop, my maintenance going on, and then the Wi-Fi went out, so anything that went wrong, it went wrong. There's a playlist link down below too if you want to check out my other live cops if this one just wasn't doing it for you. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this week. And again, let me know if you guys are feeling that flannel. If it's still in stock, who knows? I might go back and get it. I feel like I'm gonna regret it. I'm not too sure. And again, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. Even though this was a pretty weak video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. And I got a bunch of shorts as well on the channel if you want to check those out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping next week's gonna be a whole lot better. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.